So I've gotten some private messages on social posts that I've made recently. What is Project Map It? So wanted to just bring to light what my product, Project Map It, is, our product. We are an interactive mapping platform. There are a few out there that are competitors of ours. That's fine. What differentiates us between our competitors is think about any other mapping platforms you might be working with. You are only allowed to show the number of pins on a map that are in that system, that actual software that you're using. Whereas for us, we can integrate with ABC Supply, SRX, QXO. If you're an exterior remodeling company, we can take any spreadsheet that you can give us. Let's say you give us a spreadsheet of 25,000 pins. We can import it and you'll have a map that shows 25,000 pins, not just the number of projects you have in that specific software that happens to have a mapping platform. I hope that makes sense. We're interactive, and I think we're one of the best at interactive mapping. So let me show you how it works. We have direct integrations with Google, so your reviews can be brought in. We are our own review platform. We're a kick-ass review platform that helps you collect reviews and display them like you see here. And we can also sync your Facebook reviews. But we are a sales tool, everybody. We can help you differentiate yourselves from your competitors in the sales funnel. Let me show you why. So the map interactively changes based on the filter that you pick. We can create as many filters that will help your sales team close more deals, but just in a 32,000 foot view, if I click Georgetown Gray, which is a color of roof, the map changes to only show Georgetown Gray roofs, and the gallery view over on the right-hand side, if you uploaded pictures of Georgetown Gray, will also show. So immediate access to projects that company has done in that color shingle. Okay, we have landscapers, we have everybody, every industry out there, you name it, we probably have it. It gets embedded onto your website. So here is Matt Marshall, owner of Marshall Roofing, on your home page. What we recommend is putting an image on your home page with some sort of a hook, right? Like, hey, we're the best, right? It's one thing to say you've done tons of work in their area. And it's a whole new ballgame when you can visually show it on an interactive map like ours. How people use us in sales. Sorry, that's a nice mountainscape though. So ways that people use us, and this is why I say be the yellow ball. Don't be the blue one, be the yellow ball. All these other balls, they're the same. They're the same landscaping company, pool company. They do the same thing. They send the same emails. Be different. Be the yellow ball. Be the yellow ball. This is how people are the yellow ball, right? When a lead comes in from Angie, Meta, Facebook, whatever they're called, wherever you get them, instead of sending the standard email and text that says, hey, I hear you're looking for a free estimate, give us a call or text us back if you want us to come out tomorrow, whatever it says, put a link to Project Map It. So a lead comes in, be different. Homeowner clicks on it. Next thing you know, they're seeing work that you've done on their phone in areas that you service right near their house where they live, right? So if I'm a homeowner and I get 3 text messages from different companies and one text message looks like this, different than other messages, I'm going to potentially use that customer and get them to come out, that company, and get them to come out over the other companies. In your pre-appointment emails, before you send your sales reps out there, put a link to a video that is talking about that sales rep or the owner, right? Like, say, this is a video of me saying, hey, I'm Steve. I work for this company. Really appreciate you letting us come out. A little bit about me. I have a wife, 2 kids. I have a dog, yada, yada. This is what you can expect when I come out. But also be different. Put a link to your Project Map It portfolio in that pre-appointment email so people can start diving into your map and seeing all the work you've done in that local area. So putting Project Map It inside your pre-appointment email communication or texting communication. If you do a digital presentation, have Project Map It inside of that. This is Stefan Vazquez, owner of 10 Point Roofing. I was on this free estimate that he provided. There's a husband and wife that he's looking at right now. And I can tell you when he showed the map, the wife says, holy cow, is that all the work you've done in our neighborhood? She actually cussed and said something different, but I'll make this PG. Okay. So adding it to your in-home presentations, and then obviously any proposal, right? Like, hey, we use this type of product. Here's your good, better, and best deal. And then add something like this into every single proposal template. So from the time that a lead comes in to the time that you send out that quote to that homeowner, we will help your sales team close 3 to 10% more. That's what Project Map It is. But at the end of the day, I don't care what you do, be the yellow ball, embrace it. Thanks, everybody. Take care.